Hi guys, it's me, Naomi. So I am here with one of my favorite products from VagiBIOM. As a woman, your flower down there, the pH balance can be thrown off by so many different things. Maybe last night the pants that you had on going out were a little too tight, or maybe you drank too much alkaline water, or maybe you were just going about your everyday life and so your pH balance was thrown off. But now you have a pH testing kit from home. It's actually recommended that you should test out your pH balance of your flower down there every 2 weeks. And this is a kit from home that comes with 5 different ones. So you can take it, you'll take one of the packs in here. You'll stick it in your flower, pull it out. Immediately after, you'll get a color. And it's a color for the pH color chart, and you'll be able to match whatever color that your stick has with where your pH balance is. So from home, you'll be able to see if you have a yeast infection or a bacteria vaginosis. You'll be able to see where is the health of the microflora in your flower down there. So make sure you visit VagiBIOM.com and get yours today. Everybody needs it. If you're a woman, get this today.